All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their extended snow brush with squeegee and ice scraper. We're just gonna unbox this to show you. This is a 3-in-1 extendable snow brush in orange, 35 to 42 inches, 2.45 pounds. Just pictures there, what's included in the package, company logo there, company logo there. So let's open this on up. Very nice, okay. Instructions, and that's it for this box. So we have a full little carrying case to carry everything. Now this is the actual ice scraper with the squeegee, so that's right there. Use it to clean off your car. You can press this button to turn it, so if you need to angle it a different way, you can do that. That I think is very helpful. It's the brushes. Nice. Then we've got this nice extendable pole, so you can press this button to extend it out. You can see they each fall into the little holes there. And then of course, last but not least, is the actual ice scraping part itself. The just plastic basically that you'd use to scrape it off your window. And you can see from this picture how they all three go together. This part with the button plugs in to right here, and then this part goes into the bottom, and you have one whole big snow brush. So very great product from what I can see. The quality feels amazing. Like, this feels like a high quality product. I would have no fear of this breaking if I was trying to scrape off super frozen ice. So 2 thumbs up to the design team here. A really great product from what I can tell. So again, special thanks to this company for sending us their snow scraper to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.